When a person is arrested by the police, bail will be set for the case. Bail is a financial incentive to return to court. It is money set by the judge or the police. The point of bail is to make sure that a person comes to their court dates. In addition, bail is an incentive for a person to return to court for each court date until their case is finished. The police will set bail when you are arrested for a domestic violence crime. If you are able to post the full bail amount in cash, then you will be released from jail. When the case ends, you can get a full refund of the cash that you posted from the court. If you aren't able to post bail by themselves, then you can contact a bail bondsman to post a bail bond on their behalf. A bail bond is like an insurance policy. You pay a non-refundable premium, and the bail bondsman agrees in writing to cover the entire bail amount if you fail to appear for one of the court dates. Bail bondsmen typically charge up to 10% of the bail amount as the premium for the bail bond. The bail bondsman will give a written bail bond to the police. Then, the police will release you. For example, if the police set a $5,000 bail bond for a case, the defendant would have to pay the bail bondsman $500. You do not get that money back at the end of the case. It becomes the bail bondsman's fee. Now, if you had paid the entire $5,000 in cash by yourself, then you can get a full refund at the end of the case. But most people don't have that amount of cash on hand, so many of our clients choose to use a bail bondsman. When you go to your first court date, the judge has the opportunity to review the bail that is set by the police. If you are unable to post bond and are still in jail, you will be interviewed by special court staff called bail commissioners. These individuals then make recommendations to the judge about the amount of bail based on their interview and your scoring on a chart that they use. The judge has the right to raise or lower the amount of bail at a court date. Also, the judge has a right to add non-financial conditions as further conditions of release. In domestic violence cases, these non-financial release conditions can include protective orders, restrictions on possessions of firearms, domestic violence counseling and treatment, substance abuse testing and treatment, GPS monitoring, and travel restrictions. If you fail to obey any of these release conditions, you can be ordered rearrested and charged with the additional crime of violation of conditions of release. Now, if you miss your court date, the judge can call the bond and order a rearrest. If you posted cash bail, it's forfeited to the court. Worse still, if a bail bondsman posted your bond, they will hire a bounty hunter to find you and bring you back to court. You should avoid this situation. If you know someone who needs this information, please share it with them. And if you have more questions, please contact us. We are here to help.